Okay, hi, I'm Natasha DeCosta, and today I'm going to show you how to use your reducer bin. So you have received a bin like this, which is a set of two bins, right? The inner bin is perforated, it sits inside this, and then you have a lid. What goes inside this bin? All these food waste, from your cooked, your spoiled, your raw food, veg, non-veg, anything that you eat can go inside this. What will not go inside this bin? Well, all types of wrappers, packaging material is not going to go inside this. So your plastic, your Tetra Packs, diapers, sanitary waste, that all comes under a different category, so it will not go into this bin. This bin is only for your food waste. Everything you put inside this bin is going to go down into your building and get composted. Now, this bin has been made differently, right? As I said earlier, this is perforated at the base and it sits inside the outer bin. So what we're going to do is, we're going to use a double spread sheet of newspaper. That's it. And okay, so you put it in and you just fold it over. Okay, ensure that the paper is sitting right at the base so that it does not tear if someone throws some food in. So what's the idea of lining this with newspaper? 3 points. First, the lining ensures that the excess water from your food can go through and get collected in the outer bin, right? Second point, it keeps your bin clean and easy for cleaning. The perforations do not get clogged, and that makes your work easy. The second thing is, right now you are spending about 45 rupees every month for the bag liners, right? And what is their function? Just from your house to the compost unit in the garden. Think about it, 100 flats, 30 days is equal to about 3,000 bags every month. All of that is going to go because you're using newspaper, which is completely recyclable. In fact, it's going to get composted, and there's no waste going to be produced in your building. Besides, that amount of 45 rupees into 12 months is going to pay for this reducer bin. So thereafter, there's no more expenses. So that's power to you as well. Thank you.